In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Brevo account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're moving on to a new service or simply trying to streamline your current subscriptions, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to Brevo's official website. Make sure you are logged into the account you plan to cancel. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should find your account name or a profile picture icon. Give it a click. This should open a drop-down menu where you'll see various options relating to your account settings. In this drop-down, you'll need to select My Plan. This section contains all the information about your current subscription, including details like billing and plan type. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to a page that outlines your subscription plan. It's always a good idea to take a moment here to review your plan's details to ensure you're on the right path and ready to proceed with the cancellation. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You're looking for the Cancel Subscription button. This button might not always jump out at you, so take a careful glance over the lower half of the page. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it. Brevo might want to keep you around, so don't be surprised if you encounter a prompt asking for confirmation or even offering alternatives like downgrading to a free plan. They might also ask for a reason for your cancellation, and these are typically optional but can be beneficial to share your feedback. If you have more than one subscription linked to your account, the next step is to select the specific one you want to discontinue. This is important to get right, particularly if you're only looking to modify one part of your service rather than canceling everything altogether. On the other hand, if you're currently on the free plan, you might notice an option labeled Upgrade. This is Brevo's way of nudging you towards their paid features, and you can simply ignore it if your intent is to cancel. Once you've confirmed your cancellation choice, follow any additional prompts Brevo provides. These might involve filling out a brief survey about your experience or re-entering your password for security reasons. After this, your subscription cancellation will be processed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the Brevo website and canceled your subscription. Remember to check your email for any confirmation messages from Brevo about your cancellation. If any issues arise, or if you're charged again unexpectedly, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful.